I know there's car guys out there. I know there's tool guys out there. There may even be yard guys out there. But I have something totally different for you today. I have a new tool. I'm very excited. Now, if any of you take care of a property, I'm sure you are very familiar with edging. And I love a good gas-powered edger. Nothing like it. Nothing like the power. As much as I love a nice gas or electric powered tool, I also am a big fan of tools that are powered by that baby, powered by that right there, powered by you. And we're gonna check out a new tool today. Edging made easy, right here. This is the Kwik Edge. Check this out. It is an oddly shaped device. This is what happens sometimes when you shop late at night on Amazon. This was, yes, a decision I take full responsibility for making, and we are going to give it a try. Check it out. This is our raspberry row, and it was weeded not too long ago, and if you look right down there, I kind of edged it, but the weeds are growing back. So we are going to take this edger, and we're going to see if we can clean this up. So here is the before, and we'll do a little work, and then we'll come back to it, and I'll show you the after. Well, so far it's a pretty good workout. I'm able to establish a line. It only seems to cut this wide. I want to get more into the bed, so I'm going to switch to two other more conventional types of hoe. Got your typical garden hoe. That's a 4-inch hoe and a Japanese hand hoe. We'll use this to get in between the plants and get those weeds. First thing I'm going to do though is rake out some of the fluff that I just scooped out. I love this tool. This is the Fyxdt lightweight shrub rake. Plastic, very handy for spring and fall cleanup. Pass with the regular hoe. And finally, a little detail hoeing to get in between the plants. One more raking, and then I'll pull a fresh edge with the edger. That's a first look at the Kwik Edge edger, thekwikedge.com if you want to learn more about it. All told, that was about 15 minutes of work, and I think it came out pretty good for 15 minutes. Is this the only tool you'll ever need for edging? No, you're still going to want to have a regular hoe and a hand hoe in your toolbox, but I have to say this was fun, and it did a pretty good job. I hope you found this informative. I hope you found it helpful. This is Mike for Mike Fixed It. Like, subscribe, share, and check back for lots more interesting and hopefully surprisingly fun videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. I fixed it.